wafika umgqibelo yaphuma i-Aldating bafethe lesi season kumhla ka-9 kuFebruary 2025. Asigibele phezu kwayo bafethe sikhulume ngayo. First and foremost, ngicela ukuzibika igama lami ngu-Azado kancanane. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell khona ukuthola ama-notifications whenever ngidrop ama-videos of these super terrific shows esiwabuka on my streaming services and on TV. Now here's the thing. Adulting, we have 4 young guys, right? We've got Utsikitiki, Mpho, Uvuyani, and lastly, Mr. Bonga Tembe himself. Now let's start here. Bafethu, wrong eyenziwa kodwa Utsikitiki lengane yabantu. We must state your intentions clearly. Yazi uthe sebevayilisana ebusuku ngisayitshela indaba ukuthi uyayithanda ingane emaseke Utsikitiki uyathola ingane eManchester iyamthanda. And then what happened is Utsikitiki maseyasho seyazi nami indodakazi yami iyangitshela ukuthi iyangithanda and I kept quiet about it ngangamphendula. Untombazana seyasho inkinga ikuwena Tsikitiki uyabona kodwa ngaphela fanele sizame ukuyilungisa. You understand? And then it carried on throughout the course of the day or the week rather. Untombazana ami abangani bakho ukuthi bafike over izobavakashela bezomvakashela baxoxe nanginotsikitiki ukhona endayintuzane. And then you know what happened? Kube khona omunye wamangani babantombazana lo zanotsikitiki ebhizi ecifela iso lapha. Utsikitiki umfana selokishini kanjani. You know how these suburbs girls are. Anyways, hayi uthasahamba untombazana Utsikitiki kwakhona into notice engathi khonto wrong emotweni wazama ukuhamba uyosiza uthi hayi awuvula ibonnet ngibone kwenzakalanda nini into la. Hayi intombazana uyaqala manje uyabrush lapha Utsikitiki. Hey wazi izinto ngezandla zakho right Utsikitiki ubhizi laphethe umdlwane. Madoda nangu nontombazana Utsikitiki uzofika azoyibuka yonke lento le ukuthi hayi bo umngani wami manje useyayiwela la kuwena. Anyways, after that Utsikitiki but he goes out and with friends and so forth. Anyways, there's something for another time. Wasihamba uyovashela ugogo wakhe lapho ugogo wakhe bandla wamyala wamtshela ukuthi mntanami, yes le ntombazana niphila ndawonye nihlala ndawonye nikhiphithile but you know what, to make things right kumele ukuba ukuthi yonke into yenza ibe official not ngale ndlela owenza ngayo. So think thoroughly ngale nto yenzayo ukuthi ufuna ukuthi uyephi ngale future yentombazana lo. That's what umagogo says to him. Ay Mpho inkinga zakhe ayipheli no baby mama azipheli. Baby mama ufuna imali yezingane zesikole, school fees esinyukile, ufuna lokho and nangu na Mpho na uthi ingane ayifake ema public school ngoba naku nami ngeproduct yakhona and there's absolutely nothing wrong with funding public school. Phela umuntu at the end of the day lives according to their needs. You understand? If you can't afford it, then you can't afford it. I think nayo baby mama wakhona or ex-wife rather ufuna ukumbona Mpho efile kuyacaca phela. Shuthi uyothula ecebo lethu uyothola uphumula lapho yilapho uyophumula khona uthi you know what, now you are finally getting a rest you deserve ukuze usecebo lethu nangu uba u-ex-wife ufuna indodla nezimali ezingaka. Hayibo kanjani manje? Anyways ke bafethu, let's just carry on. Kuthe kusenjalo kumlisa esaxawela indaba zokuthi ufuna izimali u-ex-wife nemoto yavele yamfela. Feliyani imoto uyisa Utsikitiki kwamtshela indaba zezimali ezingaka edingakalayo ukuthi kudingakala 100,000 ukuze athenge imoto entsha injini ifile nya. But they came to a deal ukuthi uzomtholela umuntu ozoyithenga imoto. Meanwhile Mpho athenga imoto encanyana. Nawo nangempela ayithenga imoto encanyana ahamba la ningane zakhe akasanyanyile kanje u-ex-wife uthi yini manje into ehamba ngayo uzoyibiza ngegama layo uthi Blue Sky uyambo. So u-ex-wife again futhi abuza indaba ye-school fees athi hey na amaphepha wena ngithola isikole ezokufuna khona ingane public school ushoda wena usayini ingane ziyakhona ngalokho uzongitshela bazama school fees anginalo mali le. Wathi hayibo uthathe laphi lonke lento esho ukuthi ngithathe lokumthetho. Umthetho wa South Africa phela uyangivumela ukuthi ngenze ngale ndlela ukuthi ngenze ngayo. Akuvumeleki ukuthi ngikhokhe school fees not to just a specific school. So le ndlela eshoyo wena angeze sipane. Waphoxa kanjalo ke bandle uZizi uZethu ex-wife kaMpho. Anyways, let's go to uVuvu. Vuvu guys, as you do know, has a club. First things first, into ayenzile ukhipha amajita for lunch, a sushi bar or some sushi restaurant. Kwakhona mbiza amantombazana kusemnandi kunjeya and then he ran a bill of 40,000 rands. Umefika endlini nangu ubhedi la lo odlalwa ukhethiwe ku-generations. Yeah. Uyafika uzomquestiona phela uthi and then yinde 40,000 uqhamuka kwenzakalani awungichazeli yini kwenzakalani la. Hayi bikade ngimotivate abantu wena ngo 40,000 rand ungazoyenza le nto leyo. Ngone ngxabano wabona ulento ukuthi no man, I need to somehow find a way to get out of this, to get out of her clause. Ngoba phela at the end of the day, it's not like uBeto Mnyazimali kulo, she only gave him, I think it was 500K. So he needs to find a way to get out of that, ambuyisela imali yakhe, and then moves on with his life. Wabuyela-ke kuyena wathi hayi uBeto ngine-proposal, how about I buy you out? Wabuza-ke ulento uBeto ukuthi ngibaya out ngani ngoba phela uLazaro wena. Wathi hayi no, my salary, my allowance, nani, you know, ngaba njani uma sekube kanjalo. Hayi, uBeto uyabona ukuthi hayi ngeke. Phela uyayithanda le boy toy. Shuthi yayo iyashisa emashidini, hayi insimbi ayidlalisi, iyayenza into yayo. Wathi hayi ngeke, khululeka nona, kufanele ubehave nje. Just behave yourself. Behave yourself. You don't have to get to that ukuthi uzongibaya out nani yonke lento leyo. Hayi, ayishuthi akaboneke ukuvuyana ukuthi hayi la he is losing. And then we get to our main character. Ubani? Ubonga Tembe. Now here's the thing. Angithi we know there's a dispute ekhona between uBonga noNkanyezi ngenxa yendaba yengane. uNkanyezi uthena celo 5 years ngizoqhubeka ne-career, and uBonga waqhamuka ne-counter proposal ukuthi you know what, kanjani uzosebenzela mina kunezimali engaka more than le mali wathi uzoyithola le company wathi uzosebenza khona. Still wanqaba usisi. Anyways-ke kubo kaTembe uhlelo umndeni, hayi uyasho kubaba omncane uthi yazi ngithe ngihlalele ngathola ucingo lusuka kunkosikazi wami uShuma woDembe. Amajida vele akhala uthi hey awumancane wena, unkosikazi wakho unkosikazi wakho umawethu, hayi kushelela ulimi madodana. Kodwa ngithola ucingo suka kumawenu la engitshela indaba ukuthi unkosikazi umakoti umalukazi la usepostpone indaba yengane kanjani. Hayi uBonga zame badle ukuvikela ukuthi hayi no phela umuntu ecareer nani, so ingakho esakhethe kanje, yabo. Hayi umndeni oqaleke ukhuluma ukuthi badinga abazukulu bona abazodantatata egcina uma uyakhula yonke lento leyo. Lazini hayi ubaba omncane bathi yazini letha la ucingo, letha ucingo khona ngizofanele abakubo sihlangane lapha kube ne-meeting ngoba le angeke izisipane, it's not gonna end well. Hayi nangempela hlangana azuba nokhona kwi-meeting waProfessor Nkanyezi lapho ubhuti wakhe uyiBukwana afike lapha, and uyiBukwana he has a solid argument behind him ukuthi ubebe nokushela ungakwazi ukukhuluma kahle amazwi akhe, ayi abuya ashibile ngenye indlela. Anyways, uyiBukwana-ke ayibika ukuthi ubani kwenzakalani, uyachaza abantu ukuthi angicela singakhulumi ngalento ngoba uNkanyezi akabe khona until azabe khona kanjani. Hayi baba omncane uthi hey kulethwa wena abantu abadala wathi kanjani yonke lento leyo, yabo. And umlisi uyasho ukuthi hayi no, hey baba omncane awumancane bazoza somlinda ulento la abantu abathile bangeza bakuthiwa uzokhona into eserious, bahlale phansi eventually besefile uNkanyezi bakhuluma ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uyayibika nayo uNkanyezi uthi no, ukanje uthola i-job opportunity angazakwazi ukuyiyeka yonke lento leyo nani, and umfowabo avele avume naye uthi yes ngoba phela at the end of the day phela umndeni bayenza iy'nkomo bathola unkosikazi, understand lento leyo. So asikaze understand ukuthi there's going to be a barter system of some sort, ukuthi it's a transactional issue ukuthi siba nezo unkosikazi abakoTembe khona bezothola iy'ngane or ifactory y'ngane. That was not sasithi nabo uthola unkosikazi ukuthi uyathandwa kaNtembe uNkanyezi, yabo. And ileyo nto ayisho uNkanyezi, she's emphasizing ukuthi uyamthanda uBonga. It's not that akamthandi but okwamanje ngeke akwazi ukwenza lokho, yabo. Hayi ke ekukhulumeni yonke ke lento nomama Madlaza Phawule asho ukuthi kodwa phela umakoti asimthathelanga ngeziqu zakhe nangokufunda kwakhe. We took her in as umakoti wethu ukuthi uzosandisela umndeni ngoba phela uma usungenile emendweni kwisiyakha iyonto eyenzakalayo kuyakhiwa. Hayi ubaba omncane-ke naye wakhuluma indlela akhuluma ngayo, hawu aqala sebeyakhombana nalo mlisa wakaNkanyezi akhombana sebeyasukuma, hey do you know what happened now? Do you know what happened? Wena Google me, my name is Selupengu, hey kanjani. Agcina sekanjalo, but-ke later on wahlala phansi kumndeni wakaTembe. uBonga agcina semtshela uNkanyezi ukuthi hayi yazi bengikade ngibona ukuthi ngangcono ukuthi sike sisukuqhelelana nje kancane sithanda, sike siyithole sicabanga ukuthi yini kahle kahle siyifunayo ngey'mpilo zethu ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi asiboni ngasolinye. And then day after or 2 days later wabuya futhi uBonga waya kuNkanyezi-ke beyokhuluma ukuthi kwenzakalani yini kwenjena kanjani, and still usamile ephuzweni lakhe bandla uNkanyezi lokuthi ile nto ayifuna ngempilo yakhe, and akathandi ukuthi uNtembe lokhu emphusha ukuthi amenze izinto engafuni ukuzenza. Meanwhile umzimba wakhe uyakhuluma ngawo. uNtembe naye counter acts naye akhulume asho ukuthi no, but into enzakalayo we discussed this, you understand, angikuvimbi kwi-career yakho. I've never said you must leave your job. I married you knowing very well ukuthi you're a career driven woman. The only thing esavumelana ngabo nakhona indaba yayo yengane, kodwa into enzakalayo people don't understand ngoba bazohlezi bechuza uNkanyezi. uNkanyezi changed her mind esengaphakathi emshadweni uthi kahle kahle I do not want a child. I believe that is a bit unfair. If ukuthi wawungazimisele ngengane, you should not have agreed in the first place ukuthi uzungene emshadweni naye uTembe. uTembe manje ibeef yakhe ilapho kahle kahle ukuthi why would you agree to come in and then usufika ngaphakathi awusafuna ukufeza idingo zakhona zangaphakathi. Inkinga ilapho. And he has tried to accommodate her, offered her a job with a better salary within his company, and yabo to show ukuthi, you know what, I'm with you through anything, yabo, and you can try to do both. Uzayamcela ukuthi awezukwazi ukwenza konke. Hayi uyala bafethu uNkanyezi, uyala. Bagcina bexabane kanjalo ke, phela nje indaba yabo. Hayi ke, guess who's back to his old ways. Bonga Tembe is back to his old ways again. Iphele kanjalo i-episode. I don't know if it's gonna continue. We will see next week Friday again ukuthi kwenzakalani. Anyways, my friends, I think that's it for me. Thank you so much for coming through. Please subscribe. We're gonna see each other again. Sizokhuluma enye episode yenye i-series or reality show or i-movie ezofika sikhulume ngayo. We've got so many things to discuss.